This message is for all Preorder business owners that wish to generate massive profit despite the dollar hiking. Now that means if the dollar is flying, your money has to be flying also. So what I want you to do is watch this video till the end, and you can actually ask any questions you have. And don't forget to patronize EMS Logistics for your procurement, shipment, and delivery to your doorstep. So what do you need to understand? We've seen a lot of Preorder business owners lamenting and saying that they are not generating the exact profit they ought to generate in business. And at times, you remember, one of the goals of running a business is making profit. Aside the fact that you want to deliver product to your customers, profit is also necessary. So, a lot of Preorder business owners will keep lamenting if they ignore all these factors I'm going to be explaining in my video. That means if you had the intention of skipping this video, you have to wait till the end and watch it. Because if you don't watch this video, few years from now, you might not see this video again, and you keep on making the exact losses you're making in business. Now, one of the things that actually affects every Preorder business owner is, one, they kept on selling the same product. Now, what do you notice? You will see about 7, 12, 10 Preorder business owners posting the same picture, posting the same product every day. Why? You are killing your business gradually when you can't source for unique products. Unique product is what your customers need. You won't be able to control your pricing. You won't be able to make your own profit if you are selling the exact product everyone is selling. Now, why did I say that? You can have a Preorder business owner A, B, C. A might choose to use sea cargo to bring in a product. B might use air cargo, and C might even not really have much capital to bring in bulk. Now, what's the difference between A, B, C? A is using sea cargo to bring in goods. A will surely make more profit. Now, A might decide to sell that particular product cheaper, but B will make profit also. But the exact profit that B will realize, based on the fact that B is using air cargo, will not be compared to what A will realize. Now, that means there is problem. That means the more you keep on selling the same products every day people are selling, the more the effect or the disadvantage you have on your business. Another thing you need to take note if you are running Preorder business is try as much as possible to always predict the exchange. Now, let's say for instance, before you start your ordering an ore, RMB is at the rate of, let's say, for instance, 123. Try to calculate with 125 or 126, so that at the end of your Preorder program, if rate had already increased, you will still be within the range. You won't have to start begging people here and there or making loss. That means always predict the exchange rates before running your Preorder business. Another thing I want you to take note is this: when you want to copy your links from different Chinese websites, try as much as possible to buy your product from a single supplier. Now, what is the effect of this? The effect of this is that if you buy goods from lots of suppliers, it tends to have effect on your local shipping fee. Now, what is local shipping fee? Local shipping fee is the amount you pay to your supplier to send goods from China warehouse, from their own warehouse, over there to your agent's warehouse. That means if you have like 50 links and you copy these 50 links from different suppliers, the effect it will have on your business is you tend to pay more local shipping fee. Now, if you pay more local shipping fee, that means the cost of selling the product will increase. Now, what I would advise you to do is anytime you want to copy links, try as much as possible to copy links from the same supplier. If you have a supplier that sells bags, try to buy all your bags from that single supplier. That will actually reduce your local shipping fee. Now, another thing you need to take note is the location of the supplier. If you don't check the location of your supplier, it tends to affect your local shipping fee, and it tends to affect when the goods will get to your agent's warehouse. Now, let's say for instance, you're picking suppliers outside Guangzhou, you tend to have problem. And what is the problem? If the location of the supplier is quite far to your agent's warehouse, it increases the time frame of delivery. That means if your supplier ought to deliver the goods within 2 to 3 days, then it will take like 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days. Another thing that actually affects the supplier from delivering your goods to your agent is the quantity you are buying. Just imagine a company that sells as much as 50 cartons, 100 cartons every day, and you actually select product from that particular company and you're buying just 2 pieces. I know you won't know what that one means, right? That means if you're buying 2 pieces from that particular company, they tend to feel reluctant to send the product to your Chinese agents. That means if you're buying quantity, ensure you meet up with their MOQ, which is their minimum order quantity. Now, another thing you need to take note as a pre-order business owner is that try as much as possible to choose the right shipping method. Now, you're just starting up. I will always advise you that if you really want to make maximal profit in your pre-order business, try to use sea cargo. Now, with sea cargo, you can even have goods as heavy as 1000 kg. So far the goods actually occupy a particular space in the container, you might pay a little amount of money just to clear it. That means if you are using sea cargo to bring your goods down to Nigeria, as a pre-order business owner, you tend to make more profit and generate more money. And lastly, choose the right agent. Choosing the right agent that gives you the best information about procurement, about payment suppliers, about shipping from China down to Nigeria, and delivering to your address really matters. If you're looking for the right agent to ship your goods from China down to Nigeria, you don't need to waste time at all. I'm Emmanuel by name, and send the DM to place order with us. Thank you.